Hey traders, a quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So as you can see, the price has now pushed up to the level of major resistance mentioned in my yesterday's video and now in the process of giving us a possible sell signal. Prices now also being overbought right here in the RSI, and with that it hit the level of major resistance. So combining all that, all I want to see a reason to enter. Now this is not a pin bar. Pin bar is a candle that covers the 25% of the wick, so that is what we call a pin bar. It is not a 382 candle as well, so that is what I'm looking at now on 1 hour time frame. Now if you follow me, you know that I mark my rejection zones like this, and I will wait for a pullback to my rejection zone, and once we have a pullback to the rejection zone, I will wait for the pin bars or bearish engulfing candle. If you have a pin bar like this at the hit of the zone, that is also your entry. So that is what I'm looking at. We can get a possible push down to 20 to 50 EMA and then push back up to this rejection zone. That is likely, and that is what I'm looking at for natural gas. On 4 hour time frame, the rejection zone look something like this. Let's say if we have few more red candles, then a possible push up. In that case, we will have a good double top pattern on 4 hour time frame. So look for the pattern on both time frames. Have your rejection zones ready so that once you have a condition, we will enter our sell trades. So wait for the condition. Condition is very important. If there is no condition here and price breaks above this previous high, in that case, we will have a possible trend continuation towards the upside. So very important, wait for the double top condition, bearish engulfers, pin bars or a 382 candle on both time frames. Here on currency.com, exactly the same. I know it's a little bit above the zone, but that candle closes back in the zone on 4 hour time frame. So I'll still keep it as a valid double top pattern. Once we have a push up, we will rejection, we will go short. So keep looking at condition on 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. Let's check gold. Gold has now broken below the level of major support and now heading towards the minor area of value. Now at this point we can get a possible pullback, and the next support area, which is 1975.45, goes up to 981, from where I will look for a condition like bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. Pin bars is also my entry confirmation. So this is the area where I'm expecting little bounce, not a very big bounce. Looking at the fact it is a minor area of value, look 1 ATR of the target. ATR is very important. It keeps you with the volatility of the market. So keep stop loss and take profit according to the ATR. So a zone here to enter your buy trades. Silver has also broken below the level and now pushing down. That was a good reason to enter right here. It was a valid double bottom, but that would be your stop loss already. So at this point, price is now pushing down, heading towards the level of minor support, which is 23.14, goes up to 23.35, a zone from where we can get a possible bounce before the price can push down. So have these zones on the charts. Once the price hit this minor area, we will enter our buy trades. Last one, we got crude oil. What do we have? Price is now pushing down, still trading below 50 and 20 EMA. As mentioned in my yesterday's video, that we can get a possible bearish engulfing pattern. Let me show you what I've said in my last video. Otherwise, price is about to hit 50 EMA, a likely chance of green candle followed by a red candle. If that happens, we will have a continuation towards the downside. Nice one. So if you are my student in MMTA full course, we have a valid pullback entry condition. As you can see, we had price push down, pull back up, formed bearish engulfing pattern. ATR of this candle is 0.8, means the target will be less than $1. 0.8 will be your target, something like this. 1 to 1 will be your initial target, and then you can move your take profit 1 ATR further. So that is what I'm looking at. Price can still likely to push down and likely hit this next level of major resistance, which is 66.22, goes up to 68.44, from where we're going to enter our buy trade. For now, we are still bearish as long as price is trading below 50 and 20 EMA. Once the price break above 50 and 20 EMA, only then I'll start to look for my buy condition. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.